Alright, for this tutorial, it's going to be short and sweet. We will be converting a image sequence into a video. So recently I've been working on Blender projects and I've been converting them to like images. And I was wondering how I could make those images into a video. So first thing you're going to want to do is head into the edit page. And then you're going to want to open your file explorer or wherever you have your files. And then just look for the file with your image sequence. So mine is just right here. And all you want to do is just press Ctrl A and you can just drag it onto the timeline. And as you can see, it's a video. And if you move it here, it's just black because it's like it's a whole bunch of PNGs put together. So you'll just be able to see it right on top here. As you can see. And here's the full example put into the actual video.
Oh, no!
If you enjoyed this tutorial, just comment down below what you want me to do next and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.